Shadab Khan is on number 10 with 298,000 followers on Instagram. Shadab Khan is a Pakistani cricketer who plays for the Pakistan national cricket team. He was born in Mianwali, a city in northwest Punjab, Pakistan. In August 2018, he was one of 33 players to be awarded a central contract for the 2018-2019 season by the Pakistan Cricket Board. Wasim Akram is on number 9 with 369,000 followers on Instagram. Wasim Akram is a Pakistani cricket commentator, coach and former cricketer and captain of the Pakistan national cricket team. He is widely acknowledged as one of the greatest bowlers of all time. A left-arm fast bowler who could bowl with significant pace, he represented Pakistan in Test cricket and one-day international matches. In October 2013, Wasim Akram was the only Pakistani cricketer to be named in all-time Test World 11 to mark the 150th anniversary of Wisden Cricketers' Almanac. Wahab Riaz is on number 8 with 385,000 followers on Instagram. Wahab Riaz is a Pakistani cricketer. He is a left-arm fast bowler and a right-handed batsman. His all-round performance in ICC Cricket World Cup 2015 earned him worldwide recognition. In August 2018, he was one of 33 players to be awarded a central contract for the 2018-19 season by the Pakistan Cricket Board. In September 2019, Riaz announced that he would be taking a break from red ball cricket to focus on the shorter formats of the game. In June 2020, Riaz said he was willing to play Test cricket again ahead of Pakistan's tour to England. Hassan Ali is on number 7 with 451,000 followers on Instagram. Hassan Ali is a Pakistani cricketer. He made his first-class debut for Sialkot in October 2013. He made his international debut for Pakistan in August 2016 in a one-day international match. The following summer, he was named in Pakistan's squad for the 2017 ICC Champions Trophy. Pakistan went on to win the tournament with Ali named player of the series after taking 13 wickets. He became quickest bowler for Pakistan to take 50 wickets in ODIs. Mohammad Hafiz is on number 6 with 481,000 followers on Instagram. Mohammad Hafiz is a Pakistani international cricketer. Hafiz is a versatile batsman who can play anywhere in the top 6 and forms part of the bowling attack. He once used to be widely regarded as one of the best white ball all-rounders in the world, having been ranked as the top all-rounder by the ICC player rankings in the limited overs formats on a few occasions. He is known for his intelligent batting but also for aggressive short plays when needed. He retired from Test cricket in December 2018, departing the ground for the final time in white clothing to a guard of honor from his teammates. Ahmed Shehzad is on number 5 with 526,000 followers on Instagram. Ahmed Shehzad, born on 23 November 1991 in Lahore. Ahmed is a Pakistani cricketer. He is an opening batsman who made his one-day international and T20 international debut for Pakistan in April 2009 against Australia. Shoaib Akhtar is on number 4 with 711,000 followers on Instagram. Shoaib Akhtar, born on 13th August 1975. He is a Pakistani former cricketer, commentator and YouTuber. He is recognized as the fastest bowler in the history of international cricket. Akhtar was nicknamed Rawalpindi Express in reference to his speed, hometown and tiger. He was also the first bowler to be recorded bowling at 100 miles per hour and he did so twice in his career. Babar Azam is on number 3 with 774,000 followers on Instagram. Muhammad Babar Azam, born on 15th October 1994. He is a Pakistani cricketer who captains Pakistan in all formats. Babar Azam is the only player to be among the top 5 ICC rankings across all formats. Azam plays for Karachi Kings in Pakistan Super League and captains Central Punjab in domestic cricket. Shoaib Malik is on number 2 with 1.3 million followers on Instagram. Shoaib Malik born on 1st Feb 1982. He is a Pakistani cricketer who plays for the Pakistan national cricket team and Peshawar Zalmi in the Pakistan Super League. He was the captain of the Pakistan national cricket team from 2007 to 2009. He made his one-day international debut in 1999 against the West Indies and his test debut in 2001 against Bangladesh. On 3rd November 2015, he announced his retirement from Test cricket to focus on 2019 Cricket World Cup. On 2nd July 2018, he became the first male cricketer to play 100 T20s. On 5th July 2019, he announced his retirement from one-day international cricket after Pakistan won their last group stage game against Bangladesh at Lord's at the 2019 Cricket World Cup. Shahid Afridi is on number 1 with 2.3 million followers on Instagram. Muhammad Shahid Khan Afridi was born on 1st March 1975. He chiefly known as Shahid Afridi, also referred to in the media as Boom Boom. He is a Pakistani international cricketer and the former captain of the Pakistan national cricket team. As a successful all-rounder, Afridi was respected for his consistent bowling that relied on change of pace rather than spin, but he drew greater attention for his aggressive batting style. Afridi was the world record holder for the fastest ODI century in 37 deliveries and holds the distinction of having hit the most sixes in the history of ODI cricket.